Last year we introduced a cloud license. Now, how the cloud license works is that I'm presenting myself as a client, but I've got one license, but I would like to run it on 2 PCs. In this case, I'm going to show you I'm running a license on my laptop at the moment. So I'm going to open my license on my laptop. And as you can see, it opens as a professional. I'm just going to explain to you, it's very important that when it comes to your cloud license that you have a proper internet connection. Otherwise, you can drop your license. Now I'm going to ask to open my desktop license. Have a look and see. Okay, as you can see, it displays a demo version because I'm using the license at the moment. So I need to close this Caddie on this side so that the system can return the license to the server. So I'm going to close my Caddie on this side. And now I'm going to try to open my license on my desktop. And as you can see, I'm running on 2 different themes. On my desktop, I'm running on a dark theme, and on my laptop, I'm presenting you in a light theme. So now I'm going to show you how to detach your license, because for some reason it can be that you in an area that you haven't got internet access. So under your Windows search, you can search for Caddie Cloud License Manager. You can open the application, and in this dialog, that's where you're going to tell Caddie for how long you would like to detach the license from the cloud to your local PC. It picks up your license key, and then you can decide, as you can see, for how many hours, days, or weeks. So let's assume I would like to detach the license for 5 weeks. I'm going to hit the detach command, and then say for instance after 2 weeks you decided that you would like to return the license to the cloud. So all you have to do is you're going to open the same application, and then you will see that you will have the option that says return license. So you're going to click on the command, and then your license will be available on the cloud again.